This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 235BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Vidor, Texas, 77662 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Beaumont. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a GUNSTOCK interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.